So this is what bone loss looks like with dentures. I basically have the jawbone of an 80-year-old. I got reline after reline and my lower ridge is just so small it didn't matter. So I could not wear my teeth. So I literally don't know what I would have done without cushion grip. So cushion grip works by filling in all the gaps of my denture. So when I put it in, it's going to fit snug. It's not going to rock around. I don't have to worry about my teeth popping out while I'm talking. I used to get so many sores on my gums from wearing my teeth without cushion grip, and now I don't have that problem. It's basically like getting a temporary reline at home. And for me, this stuff has lasted for up to a month without having to reapply. Also, it's waterproof, so you can still brush your teeth, you can still soak your dentures at night. I'm telling you, I could not live without my cushion grip right now. This stuff was a game changer. If you have dentures, you need to try it. So I've had my cushion grip in for about 4 hours and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is what cushion grip looks like after it has cured, and you can see how it just fills in all the gaps of your denture so that it fits your gums snug and it's not going to come loose. You can actually use glue on top of this if you need like an extra seal, and I like to use my poly grip on top of it, but you can use whatever glue. You can wash your dentures, you can soak them, you can do whatever with this stuff on. And I've had one application last me for up to a month, so I don't know why you haven't tried it yet.